In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get military discount on MLS game tickets. Let's get started. First thing you should know is that MLS does not offer a single league-wide military discount. Instead, military discounts are offered by individual MLS clubs, so the availability, eligibility, and savings can vary depending on the team you are planning to watch. To check if your favorite club offers a military discount, visit the club's official ticket page through the MLS website. Many teams have a dedicated military appreciation or military offers page where they list available ticket promotions and explain how to redeem them. If you don't see a military offer on the website, you can also contact the club's ticket office directly to ask about any current military discounts or special promotions. Some MLS clubs partner with military verification services such as GovX or ID.me. If your club uses one of these services, you'll need to verify your military status by creating an account and complete the verification process. Once you are verified, you will receive access to eligible discounted tickets and can complete your purchase through the official ticketing platform. Availability and discount amounts may vary by match and sitting section. Another option is to check whether the club participates in military appreciation events during the season. Some teams offer discounted tickets for specific military appreciation nights or provide exclusive offers to service members and veterans during selected matches. After selecting your discounted ticket, simply sign in to the club's official ticketing partners such as Ticketmaster or SeatGeek if applicable. Review your order, complete the payment, and download your digital tickets. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.